planning grant. See, I received a phone call last week from Secretary Pete Buttigieg saying congratulations because Little Rock was one of 25 cities to receive this. See, the U.S. Department of Transportation just doesn't get money to anyone. They want to ensure that they have a sound investment, and Little Rock is on their mind. For them to give us $2 million to provide this deck park across I-30 to ensure that we do not repeat the past of allowing highways to segregate ourselves, but allowing highways and this work to integrate ourselves, to truly build our youth, growth, unity, and transformation. That's what it's all about. Bridging neighborhoods that were once destroyed decades ago. I can still think through the times of my mother telling me when she could walk down 9th Street and there was no I-630. We have opportunity to reconnect. In addition to the city, the city will also develop 18 acres of new parkland along 2nd Street as a part of the 30 Crossing project. We anxiously anticipate another milestone for Little Rock as the Arkansas Museum of Fine Arts reopens on April the 22nd. Mark your calendar.